Changing your phone number on Tableau Cloud is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Login. Access your Tableau Cloud account by entering your credentials on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or name in the upper right corner. Click on it to open a drop-down menu and select account settings. Step 3. Access contact information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Edit phone number. Look for the option to edit your phone number. Enter your new phone number in the provided field, ensuring it is formatted correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, scroll down to find the Save button. Click it to confirm your changes and update your account information. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation messages from Tableau Cloud regarding the change. Following these steps will ensure your phone number is updated successfully.